Hi everyone, this is Cindy with Cricut the Heart, and I'm back with a box opening. So this is an exclusive box from La La Land Crafts, and they did a box for Christmas and decided to do a box for Valentine's Day. And I really liked what was in the box, so I decided to go ahead and get it. I bought it at the pre-sale price of $70. Normally it was $100, so it was a good deal to buy it exclusively. It comes in a super cute box, and when you open it up, this is what it looks like, and it tells you all the things that are in it. So I'm going to set that aside because I'm going to show you guys what's in it. So this is how it comes. Let me share with you all the goodies that are in this box. So you get some coffee sleeves in craft, so you can make a little album with those. You get a couple of really nice pillow boxes, and you get a couple of boxes that have a area for a window, and they actually give you the acetate for the window as well. So that's all included in the box. And then I really like the stamps that come with this. So this is the stamp, the Marcy with headphones, super cute. It's a red rubber stamp. I love that. The other stamps are a sloth. This one says "Take It Sloth." It's very cute. And this one, which I love, and it's a coffee one, Java Nice Day. Very, very cute. And you also get, this is really, really fun. You get a background stamp, and this one's super cute. It's a heart, and then you get all these little pieces so that it looks like you can cancel out a letter or whatever. But be mine, February 14th. I love you. This forever stamp, and I just, I love that. So got that. And then you do get some dies. You get this heart die, which is super cute. So you get two dies. So you get this like a scallop heart, as well as this stitched heart. You can use them together or separate or whatever. And then you get these little swirlies with the hearts, which is very cute, and it would go really well with the coffee. And then you do get two stencils. I'm going to show the back of your stencil. It's a heart stencil and a harlequin stencil, which I really liked both of those. So I loved everything that came in this kit or in this box, which is why I purchased it, because she did an unboxing and we were able to see what's in it before we purchased it, which gave me an opportunity to decide whether I wanted to get it or not. So anyway, I was super excited. I really love it. Can't wait to share projects made with it. But you know, it just takes me a while because I've got so much stuff going on. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy with Cricut the Heart.